Welcome to Bethelmatics Academy. So in this lesson, I want to show you how to convert 110.11 in base 2 to base 10. We are given 110.11 in base 2. So to convert it to base 10, I'm going to multiply each of the digits here by 2. That is the first step. That is 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus the next digit is 0 times 2 plus the next digit is 1 times 2 plus the last digit here is 1 times 2. So the next thing to do is to locate the last digit before the decimal point, which is 0. So where is 0 in this multiplication? This is that very 0. So from the 2 that multiply this 0, we raise it to power 0. We are going backward 1 and 2. Then from that 2 that multiply this 0 that we raised to power 0. Mind you, we did not raise 2 to power 0 because this is 0. Or because this 0 is the last digit to the decimal point. So that is why we began to raise the last 2 we multiplied with this 0 to 0. Not because it is 0, but because it is the last digit to decimal point. So if it was 1, I would have still started to raise the 2 I multiplied with that 1 to power 0. So from this decimal point this way, the 2 that multiply this 1 and this 1, I'm going to begin to raise them to the powers of negative integers. So after decimal point, it is this 1 times 2, which is this 1 times 2. So it becomes raised to power minus 1 plus the next one is 1 times 2 raised to power minus 2. Okay, so having done that, the next thing is to simplify your arithmetic here. So this become equal to 1 times 2 raised to power 2 is 4. So this is 1 times 4 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 is 2. 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 0. 2 raised to power 0 is 1. 0 times 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power minus 1. 1 times, so 2 raised to power minus 1 means 1 over 2. So I'm going to write that as 1 over 2 plus the last term here is 1 times 2 raised to power minus 2. So this is 1 times 1 over 2 raised to power 2. So here we have negative power of 2. So it means we should write it as 1 over. Once you express negative power as 1 over, the negative goes away. So this is now 1 over 2 raised to power 2. Okay, so this is equal to 1 times 4 is 4 plus 1 times 2 is 2 plus 0 times 1 is 0 plus 1 times 1 over 2 is something as 1 over 2 plus, so this one now is 1 times 1, which is 1, and 2 raised to power 2 is 4. So this is 1 over 4. So simplifying further, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus, we now have here as 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. So here we are dealing with fractions. So the first thing to do is to look for the LCM of 2 and 4. So the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So this becomes 6 plus 4 as denominator. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So this is equal to 6 plus 2 plus 1 is 3 over 4. So this is equals to, adding these two numbers together, whenever I have whole number plus fraction, So expressing it as mixed fraction is just to attach the two numbers together. So this becomes C whole number 3 over 4 in base 10. All right, so it means that 110.11 in base 2 is something as C whole number 3 over 4 in base 10. So I believe you understood this lesson and you can solve similar problem wherever you see it. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next lesson. Bye.